Hello, I'm Amanda, and welcome to Michael's Baths. Are you growing tired of your outdated bathroom design? Would you like a brand new bathroom installed by professionals? If so, and you live in town and country Missouri, then you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local bathroom remodeling service, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and affordable. We're fully insured and licensed, and we can help you design and install the bathroom of your dreams. Contact us now for a free no-obligation consultation on the remodeling of your bathroom. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Go ahead and scan the QR code now to get a free quote. What are you waiting for? Scan the QR code now and you can get a free quote as early as tomorrow.